So, you don't know how a startup really starts until you build one yourself. Nobody tells you the truth. It doesn't begin with funding, offices, or investors. It starts alone in confusion with one idea you refuse to let go of. So, my name is Ravi Katara, founder of Arjun Aerospace. I am building an indigenous drone and aerospace ecosystem from absolute scratch. This is why I am documenting the full journey, the real work, the technical challenges, the fundraising, learnings, all of it step by step. If you are building something too, stay connected. This series is for us.